Hey there, friends. Just wanted to give you a quick little intro to what we will be discussing tomorrow. We have In-Person Institute. It's currently being held at Rice every other week right now. And I know for you med students across the street, that's probably a little bit hard. Actually, let's be honest, that's a lot hard. I wanted you to know that you are invited. So we'll be doing in person, like I say, every other week there, probably through the end of the year. And in between, I'll do a little YouTube video class in between those weeks. But we'll be meeting in the Humanities Building, and as we usually have done, lunch will be provided. So it's at noon, and we'd love to have you join us if you are available. Be in room 120 of the Humanities room tomorrow at noon again. We're going to begin the book of Mark, and wanted to just give you something to think about as you come to class tomorrow. One of my favorite stories, and there's lots of paintings about this particular event with the Savior in the boat, and often quoted phrase from the Savior that comes after the question by those that were in the ship with him. In Mark 4, it talks about he was in the ship on a pillow asleep, and they ask of him, Master, carest thou not that we perish? I think this question is so layered. And if you don't mind taking the opportunity before you come tomorrow to just think about what it might have felt like for them to be in the ship, and then what that question meant for them, but probably more importantly, what might that question mean for us? What would create us to ask that question? What causes us in our lives to maybe say it or maybe think it about things we experience in life of, Master, carest thou not that we perish? And the Savior's response, peace be still. And love that 3-word phrase. That sure applies to lots of things in our life. And look forward to talking to you about it tomorrow at class. See you tomorrow at noon. Bye-bye.